Some gon' tell you one thing, but I'm gon' tell you different. I wasn't born a rapper and I never was a singer. Everything I know I picked up along the road. Working hour after hour, man, I never let it go. I never was the best, man, I wasn't even close. I never had girls running everywhere I go. I'm telling you this just to let you know that I believe it's all within us. Reach to where it's at. It don't have to be miracles. Oh, the fire's within our soul. You don't have to be big and tall. Oh, just stand up and hold your own. So we say stand up and hold your own. So we say